enjoyed our vacations and you all are being at home and making so much of fun. Why we are being at home? You all know that. Because of coronavirus, we all are being at home. Yes, okay. In your studies also, in your science subject also, in a previous decade, years ago, about corona, they mentioned the which type of virus it is and why it comes to our body and how it spreads. You all know that. Nowadays, the Google will help us that why corona spread and how we have to maintain ourselves and how to be safer. Yes, you all are maintaining social distance. You all are being far away from the others. Yes? Okay. So maintain that distance and be at home. Don't come outside. Don't eat junk foods. Eat healthy foods. Prepare at home only. Don't go outside for eating or making fun. Be at home. If you get bored, please watch movies. Play games, indoor games. Yes, you have so many indoor games. Play that and be at home. Yes, in your science subject, that only, we mention that only. How our body work, how to maintain ourselves, how our each body parts work, how it works day by day, how we have to eat, how it works inside, that all we see now. That only we have to maintain our day by day life also. We have to maintain ourselves and be at home and study. Now you all got bored, I know that. You all are sitting at home and making only watching TVs and playing game, that all got bored now. I know that. Yes, so we'll study little bit now. Yes, we'll make a fun with our studies. We'll make a fun also and we'll study also. Okay. Now let's start our EVS subject. What is EVS then? Environmental studies. What all things are there in our environment? Like us, birds, animals, plants, living things and non-living things. These all comes under our EVS, like science subject. Yes, in our science subjects we have all about our environment. What all things are there surrounding us? Surrounding us, what all things are there? So many living things are there, so many non-living things are there. Yes, okay. In that first chapter, in your fourth standard, first chapter, that only food for plants. Food for plants. Food for plants. How plants eat their food. How they produce their food. Yes, how they grow, how they reproduce. Yes, that all things we see in this chapter. Okay, in your chapter, they asked one simple general question. Starting only they asked one simple general question. What they asked? Correct the words, phrases that are related to the parts of leaf or its function. About leaf you studied last year. In previous year, we studied about leaf. Leaf, you've seen so many types of leaves. We seen bigger leaf, we seen smaller leaf, medium leaf. Yes, we seen different types of leaves. But all leaves are in the different sizes. ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಹೂವಿನ ಲೀಫ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ದಾಸವಾಳ ಹೂವಿನ ಲೀಫ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ yes different types of leaves we see yes that only they asked that correct the word phrases that are related to the part of leaf or its function ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು they given some of the words that telling that which all words are related to the parts of leaf or its function functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ what is the meaning of functions ಕೆಲಸ ಲೀಫಿನ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೌ this only we have to reread the previous year books reread the previous year book in that they given the which all parts are there for our leaves which all works they do which all words will come in that chapter you all seen that okay first word which is the first word photosynthesis we see in this word in our leaf chapter last year so what you have to do take a cut mark here next carry seeds that are related to plants only seeds means in a ಬೀಜ ನಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗಿಡದೊಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ sorry for the disturbance. Okay, we'll continue our class now. Okay, till now what we did, we are seeing which of the phrases or words are related to the leaf or its function. Okay, we see in photosynthesis, it is a correct one. It's related to the what? Leaf. Next, carry seeds. It's related to plant. It's not related to what? Leaf. So what we have to do? We have to cross. So like that, you see all the words. Check all the words which all things are related to the leaf or its function and tick a mark, and which all are not related. So tick a wrong mark there. What you have to do now? Reread the previous year book. Reread the previous year book. You will understand which all words we seen in the chapter of leaf and how it's work in that chapter. Okay, read the chapter and tick the correct marks or a correct mark or a wrong. Okay, please do that work. Okay, now we will start our chapter food for plants. First, what they given, when you look around, you see different kinds of plants with a different types of a leaf. Plants prepare food in their leaves with the help of water, air, chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. What they are telling? They are telling about plants. They are telling about plants. We see so many different types of plants. Yes, we see so many different types of plants. Yes, in our environment we have so many types of plants. Some plants are shorter, some plants are a bigger one, which all grow bigger, that called as trees. Yes, okay, we have so many types. With that, we have different types of leaves also. We have different types of leaves also. We have smaller leaves, we have a bigger leaves. Yes. Okay, now what they are telling, how these plants prepare their food, how they grow, how they work inside. We see outside they are looking cute. The plants are look good enough, but inside they also work like us only. They are, because plants are living things. You all know that plants, leaf, trees are living things because they grow, they reproduce. Yes, they reproduce, they eat food. These all they also do. So they are a living thing. The plants are living things. We see outside they are standing quietly. They will not move from one place to another place. But they work inside. They grow also. They give us seeds. That seeds help to, if we throw it outside or any other place, that seed grows slowly. It starts growing. If we put a water on that, or put any other garbage or any what we say, any garbages or what, that also start growing. That also start growing. That is called as a reproduction. That is called as a reproduction of a plant. That is called as a reproduction of a plant. Plants reproduce themselves by giving a seeds. By throwing a seeds, the plants will grow. Yes, the plants will grow. Yes, children. Okay. And one more thing, what they given. One more thing, what they given in that. Here, how that the trees, how these trees or plants prepare their food. They prepare their food using in the help of a water and air, surrounding air. What also airs we have the surrounding, using that air. And one more thing is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll and sunlight. We get a sunlight daily. In the use of sunlight, one ray will come. That ray, using that ray, they prepare their food. So ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. When we keep it outside, the trees will or plants will grow easily with the help of what? That ray is called as a chlorophyll. That ray is called as what? Chlorophyll. Understood? The plants will grow using what? Water. Water ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ? ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ನೀರಿಂತ್ರ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ, ಅಷ್ಟ ನೀರಿಂತ್ರ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ? ನೆವರ್. ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಭೂಮಿಯೊಳಗೂ ನೀರು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣೊಳಗೂ ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಲ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀ. They take a water from earth also, have so much air. Using that air, they grow by themselves. Using water, using air, using chlorophyll. What is the chlorophyll? You all understood. The ray of a sunlight. Using when the sunlight will come, that time one ray will come. In that ray, the chlorophyll and one content ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Using that content, they start growing. They prepare their food and they start growing. Okay, you understood how they prepare their food? Now we'll move on to the parts of leaf. Parts of leaf. Leaf ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. Leaf ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಎಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. Leaf. It is a leaf. Can you see this? Yes, can you see this? Okay, this is a leaf. I used a banyan tree leaf. It's a banyan tree leaf. It's look different. We daily we see different types of leaves. Yes, but this is a banyan tree leaf. And listen, in the leaf, different types of leaf we have. This is a smaller leaf, but sometimes banyan tree leaves only. More than this, bigger than this also. It can be bigger than this also. This is smaller one. Banyan tree leaf only bigger than this also. It can be bigger than this one also. Okay. And all trees have a size in different size of a leaves. The one type of a leaf it will be a smaller and it will be a different size. There are different types of leaves we have. Bigger one, smaller one, medium case also we have a different types of a leaves. And in the different types of a leaf, all leaves will be thin only. It will be thin only. ಯಾವ leaf ದಪ್ಪ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಪ್ಪ leaf ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಯಾವಾಗಿರೋ leaf ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ತೆಳ್ಳಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ. You can see the lines in between them. Can you see the lines in between them? Can you see the lines? Yes, we have lines in between them. These lines have a different types of a names. These lines have a different types of a names. All lines are different. Yes, ಯಾವ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನದವ different ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. And work also different ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದನು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ. So we'll study about it now. Okay. Here parts of a leaf. Okay. Open the chapter now. 159. Page number 159. All of you open that. And parts of a leaf. Keep your finger on that and slowly start reading. When I'm reading now, please you also start reading. After me, you also read. Okay? Then only you will understand. I will tell the meaning of that whole para, but you also keep your finger on that. Okay. The leaf of the most plants are bold and flat. What they are telling here? The plant most leaf in ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಗಲಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಲೀಫ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಗಲಗ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೈತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಗಲಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೀಫ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಚಪಟ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ ದಪ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗ ವೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಸೈಜ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. Its size will be different from one leaf to another leaf. Okay. The bold and flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. What they are telling? Leaf blade. What they are telling? This side. Here, can you see the shape of the leaf here? This is a banyan tree leaf. What they are telling? The bold and the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. This edge of the leaf. Edge of the leaf is called as what? Edge of the leaf will be called as a leaf blade. Sharp ಇರ್ತದ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು. So they are using the word blade. Using the word blade. Please underline this word. Blade. You all know the meaning of blade. Blade is a sharpest thing. ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ leafy edge ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು sharp ಇರ್ತದ. Sharp ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Not sharp like a scissor or what. They are telling a similar word to that. Sharp means one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ last edge. So this edge is called as what? Leaf blade. Okay. Next one. If you hold a leaf to the light, you will see a network of fine lines. You will see the network of a fine lines. Okay, we'll do the experiment now. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Can you see this? I'm holding a light on it. Can you see this? You see so many thinner lines inside. Can you see this? If you don't, please do this experiment in your house. Please do this experiment. Keep a light on your any one type of a leaf. You will get so many thin lines in that. You will see the so many. Here also you can see. Here we have so many thin lines. We have so many thin lines. If you hold a leaf to the light, you will see network of a fine lines. These are called as a veins. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಾರ? ವೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಸಣ್ಣ 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 ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಷ್ಟ ನಮಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣತಾವ. ಈಗ ಇದರ ನಡುಕುನು ಇನ್ನ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಫುಲ್ ನಮ್ ಲೀಫ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. So many lines we have. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. one line ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. Like our body have a nerves. Our body have nerves na? ನರಗಳು ಅದಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗ. That nerves work preparing a food. ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. Like blood they will circulate, water they will circulate. Like that, leaf also have that type of a network lines that will help to transfer water, transfer air, that all things here also they will do. Okay, they are similar to like us only, but they can't move. They can't have eyes or parts like us. They are different, but they are living things only. Okay, these lines are called as what? Veins. In that veins, in the center of the line, center of the leaf is called the main leaf. Main leaf is the part, center part. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ಇರ್ತದ? ದಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರು ದಪ್ಪ ಲೈನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರ? ಮೇನ್ ವೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಅವರ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನರ. ನರ ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಅದು ಲೈನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಮೇನ್ ಇದು ಅದು ವೀನ್ಸ್. ಮೇನ್ ವೀನ್ ಇದು. Okay, next. The veins and the main vein carry water to every part of a leaf as well as carry the prepared food out of the leaf. Now, ಏನು ವೀನಿನ ಕೆಲಸ? ಇದ್ರಾಗೇನ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ವೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಸೈಡ್ ವೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಸೈಡ್ ವೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅವ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವೀನ್ ಇಂತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವೀನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಲ್ ಲೀಫಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಹೋಲ್ ವೀನಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ವೀನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನ? ಅವು ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳದ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನ? ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫುಡ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ವೀನ್ಸ್, sends to other part of the leaf. It sends to other part of the vein. Leaf. A leaf is attached to the stem by the stack. Stem by the stack. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ. Without this, it can't be attached to the plant. This is a helper. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ? ಏನೇನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. or else ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ it takes to the leaf. ಇದೇನ ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ ವರ್ಕ್. This do the helper job. This do the helper job. This is called as a part is called as a stack. This is called as a stack. It helps us to transfer the food and it is attached to the plant. Okay, what we see now? Parts of a leaf. ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಇದು ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? What they are telling? This is a leaf blade. The end part of this. After that, these lines. Inside we have so many lines. That is called as a main vein and side vein. And this line is called as a stack. And last one, tip. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಏನ ಲೀಫಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಟಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಫ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಟಿಪ್, ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ತುದಿ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ಲೀಫ್ ಟಿಪ್. All have this only. All leaves this part. Tip, leaf, tip. Okay, we studied these all and how they work. We'll study it in our next class. You all seen the parts of a leaf. Now we'll study how they work inside, how they produce food. We'll see it in our next class. What you have to do, children? We have to study difficult words here. Here we have so many difficult words. You all can see here. Chlorophyll we have. Yes. Chlorophyll we have. Presence we have. Yes. Blade, network, center, and stack, wing. These all are different words, difficult words. So what you have to do, please practice the spellings of it and we'll study it tomorrow. Okay children, bye.